Hello everyone, welcome you all to Psych Info. Have you ever thought of why people do the things they do and why every people responds differently to similar situations? Or why don't everyone act out a response to situations similarly? Psychology helps us in finding answers to these questions. Today in this video you will learn about what is psychology and what are the goals of psychology and what is the importance of psychology in our life. So now the question is, what is psychology? Psychology is the study of behavior and mental processes. Now, as we know that psychology is the study of behavior and mental processes, so what does our behavior and mental processes includes? Behavior includes our outward actions and reactions such as talking, facial expressions and movements. Behavior is the way in which one acts and reacts towards certain situations. And mental processes includes our internal activities of our minds such as decision making, thinking and remembering. There are 4 goals of psychology that aims at uncovering the mysteries of human and animal behavior. One is description, second is explanation, third is prediction, and fourth is control. First goal of psychology is description. So the description means that what is happening. It involves noticing and observing the behavior of an individual in certain or specific situation. For example, noticing or observing the way students behaves in the classroom. Description provides us a way towards the second goal of psychology, that is explanation. So the second goal of psychology is explanation, that why is it happening, why the certain or the specific behavior is happening and what is the reason behind that specific behavior. So for example, the student is behaving oddly in the classroom, so the reason behind that specific behavior is explanation. So we have our third goal of psychology, that is prediction. Determining what will happen in the future is a prediction. For example, the psychologist or counselor would predict based on the previous research or observations and explanations that this girl will probably continue to behave oddly in her classroom or not. The last of the 4 goals of psychology is modifying or changing behavior, that is control. How it can be changed. The goal is to change a behavior from undesirable one to the desirable one for improving the quality of life. So now the question arises that why psychology is important for us? Why do we study psychology and how psychology helps us? Psychology helps us in many areas of our life. It helps us understand why other people perform certain actions, understand ourselves and reactions of others. It also helps us understand how our brain and body is connected. It also helps us to improve learning abilities and memory and to deal with daily stresses of life. It also helps us to adopt the positive behaviors that improves our quality of life. Psychology really helps people in large part because it can explain why people act the way they do. With this kind of professional insight, a psychologist can help people in their decision making, stress management and behavior based on understanding past behavior to better predict the future behavior. I hope this video was understandable and you guys liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Psych Info for more informational videos about psychology.